If you need some objects repeatedly, you can save them in the shape gallery, so they can be added to your illustrations easily and quickly. The most common examples are the objects that indicate the location and orientation of displayed items. This also can be a configured callout pointer or a shape with a specific set of properties. Now we see how the component of the car which author is working with can be marked with a locator. This provides a better understanding of the positioning of the component in relation to the whole product. In this example, we see how an orientation object can be included in the illustration to give a definitive answer where is the front of the assembly. Any additional object can be applied to the illustration, making your parts catalog more informative and raise the quality of created catalogs in general.